What I'm about to share with you can change your financial life forever. I made $385,000 in 1 year with online businesses, and I'm about to reveal my exact strategy. Growing up, I struggled financially. My father was a school teacher, and we barely made ends meet. I knew I had to find a way to make money online. I started searching for ways to make money online when I was just 14 years old. One night in 2018, I stumbled upon a video about making money with Google AdSense. I created a blog using Blogger and wrote some posts, but I didn't know how to monetize it. I spent 3 to 4 months on it, but eventually gave up. Then I discovered a video about creating a website using a .com domain name. I asked my father for $40 to get started, and I bought a domain name and hosting plan. I created a website and wrote 25 posts in just 30 days. To drive traffic to my website, I turned to social media marketing. I created accounts on Pinterest, Facebook, and Quora, and started sharing my content. I got 1.2 million visitors to my website in just 3 months. As I continued to grow my online business, I realized that the relationship niche wasn't as profitable as I thought. So I switched to the business and finance niche, and my ad revenue increased significantly. I started creating content on multiple niches and hired a team of writers to help me scale. I also created faceless YouTube and Instagram pages to promote my content and digital products. I made around $15,000 per month from my online businesses. In addition to my online businesses, I also invested my money in real estate and property building. My father had experience in this field, and we made a profit of $110,000 in just 8 months. That's my story of how I made $385,000 in 1 year with online businesses. It wasn't easy, but it was worth it. If you want to learn how to start making money with online businesses, I'd be happy to guide you. Join me on WhatsApp, and I'll share my expertise with you for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.